Are you curious about what makes plants thrive? This is going to blow your mind. Plant cells are like tiny powerhouses, packed with fascinating structures. First up, the cell wall, a rigid shield made of cellulose that keeps the cell in shape and offers protection. Beneath it, the cell membrane controls what goes in and out. Next, the cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance where all the action happens. Then we have the endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, a network that helps in protein synthesis and material transport. The Golgi apparatus, it's the cell's packaging and delivery system. Ribosomes are the protein factories, while the nucleus is the control center, holding the DNA blueprint. The vacuole stores water and nutrients, making up much of the cell's volume. The star of the show? Chloroplasts. They turn sunlight into energy through photosynthesis, giving plants their green color. And let's not forget the mitochondria, the cell's powerhouses producing essential energy. Together, these structures make plants the life-giving wonders they are, providing food, oxygen, and keeping our planet vibrant. Isn't the world of plant cells just incredible?